Yes, hello guys, Michael Amigas TV. So welcome to another episode. Now I've started another part of this project, whereby after making the pavements, now we are building the demarcations. Then from there we will be installing the car blocks after doing everything. So in this step today we are working on a different aspect, which is to build now the demarcation where the pavements will be laid and the flower beds. Otherwise, let me take you through and see what we are doing. So guys, as you see, I'm trying to show you today, where I have reached. Remember, these are the pavements that I'll be installing. As you can see them, there are a lot of them. So they are now stocked here, drying up and waiting to be installed. There are two different molds. I have here what we call the V-shape, and I have the prism, which is also known as the diamond. So I began this morning, trying now to align the land using the maram. And as you can see, I'm also building the demarcation on this house to make sure that we allow now the house to have a place that the pavements will be also inserted. So from this side, I have started, now to align the land and doing everything. You can see to this side. But before that, now we are building, and I think you'll be seeing in the next videos or episodes how we are doing it. So on this side, after the house, because we have also to secure the house, the water, now we are working on these two. You can see Russ is mixing here the sand, and normally this one is to help the Mary. So guys, as you see, I'm trying to relocate the carblocks, or the pavements from this side to this side, because from today I have begun now a new project. So you've seen us now building. What we are doing is trying to make the sketch to safeguard the wall before we install the carblocks, because we have to make it at least safe. So that's why you see me having the engineer trying to work on that, so that we have the wall aligned. Then from there, I'll be making the ground, now introducing the maram, then compressing it. So that's why we made the blocks that you see there. Now we are using them to build here, as you see. So, and from there, I think we will be now, as I proceed, I think I'll be showing you what we are doing. So, but for here, you can always see how the work has been done. Let me check it through. So guys, as you see, we have been able to make, so we will be making this all through around the house. Then after finishing that, we will also plaster it, then put the nilo, to make sure that the wall looks very aligned and very well safeguarded. And even the waterproof will be introduced, as you've heard, because this place needs to be safe. So you see, we are working on it, trying to make sure that we make this area as safe as possible before we start installing the pavements or the car blocks. So right now, what I'm working on, me as a person, is to transfer them to this side, because we are also going to build the same thing on this side, where to show the end or the demarcation where the car blocks will be fitted. Then from there, I think we'll call it a day. So for today, guys, as we continue, I'll be showing you what we are doing and making sure that everything is well done. So if you also have this project, you know what to do. Just use the numbers that always been below the screen and the email. Contact me, then we'll have a conversation and see the way forward. So guys, as you see, so what I'm doing right now is the land alignation, and I've started from this side, so you can always tell how now the land looks. And I think in the few days you'll be seeing now the whole land lined. So on the other side, I'm trying to have a technician who is also building, yeah, to make sure that this area is well managed. So you can see, so this is the flower bed, which does helps in the land, I mean the demarcation. So here we will be planting flowers, and on this side is where we will be arranging or installing the carblocks. I think after this you will be shown the whole look of it, but for now what we are working on is the build what you're seeing. Then after that you'll see this maram here all spread in this side and aligned in a way that it allows everything to be smoothly done. So guys, as you see, it's normally my pleasure, to introduce you to what we are working on, and hopefully in the near future you're going to see the whole change and look of this area, how it will be extremely changed. And for now what I'm working on is to make sure that I align the other side as they also prepare this side, so that from there I'll be moving to this side. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be working from this back side, the one you see here, to align it, then from there to this, at least this side, then also move and join it to this side. So it's been, a process, and hopefully in a few days you will be seeing a very transformed land or house. Yeah, so it will be one of the best projects that we'll be also looking forward to see. So guys, if you're tuning in for the first time, I kindly remind you to subscribe and turn on the ring bell. And for the returning viewers, thank you very much for always being there for me and making sure that we change this place. Otherwise, also remember to use the contacts below if you want to contact me and we do something in your land too. Otherwise, it's my pleasure always to say thanks for always being there for the project. Otherwise, see you in the next episode.